Welcome to the EMD Lifeline, your solution for funding wholesale real estate deals. You finally found it. A killer off-market deal with a $20,000 spread, but your bank account says zero, and the seller wants a $2,500 deposit now. Don't walk away. Here's the secret. That deposit is the only thing standing between you and locking up that deal. Let's talk about the biggest pain point for new wholesalers. In wholesaling, the Earnest money deposit, or EMD, is your skin in the game. Without it, you don't have a contract, you just have a conversation. Most gurus tell you to risk your rent money. We say, don't. Risking personal savings is dangerous and unnecessary. That's why we created the EMD Lifeline. At PBnJ Investors, we provide the deposit for you. We step in as your financial partner so you can lock up that deal without touching your personal savings. Our process is simple and transparent. Here is how the EMD Lifeline works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. You bring us a solid, viable deal you're ready to secure. Step 2. We vet the deal quickly to ensure it's a winner. We move fast because we know time is money. Step 3. We wire the EMD directly to the title company or escrow. You focus on finding the buyer, we handle the cash. This isn't just about money. It's about building a strong partnership. We're not just a bank. We are wholesalers who have been exactly in your shoes. We understand the hustle. We've got your back. Because when you win, we win. It's about building a partnership, not just a transaction. Ready to stop letting temporary cash gaps derail your progress? Stop letting a temporary cash gap kill your long-term hustle. Click the link below to apply for the EMD Lifeline, and let's get that deal to the finish line.